Hello students, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss one important letter for second year intermediate, both TSBI and Andhra Pradesh. Formal letter, write a letter of complaint to the municipal commissioner regarding the bad condition of road in your area or in your locality. It is about bad condition of road. This is very important letter. So many times it came in the examination also. Formal letter, you know that only formal letters are there this time. Informal letters are deleted. So we have to follow the modern format. So start the answer. How to write the answer, sample answer I will show you now in this video. So answer starts now. First you write sender's address. So this is a sender's address. First you should not write your name. So only XYZ here, house number, Mehdipatnam area, city, Hyderabad. So write XYZ or ABC. Okay, so house number, door number, flat number, so street, name of the street, city. So this is called sender's address. Okay, now leave one line. Next line you leave out. Then date, today's date 19 March 2021. So during the exam date you have to write 4th May or 5th May, like that, 05 May, 04 May 2021, like that you have to write. Okay, no commas, no full stops. This is the modern format. From to we should avoid. Don't write from to, date 19th March, 19 dash March dash 19 dash 3 dash, wrong. In this way only, full form we have to write like this. So sender's address over, date over. Now receiver's address. Between these two again, so leave out one line. So leave one line. Then comes the receiver's address. So receiver is the municipal commissioner or the commissioner, GHMC, Hyderabad. 3 or 4 lines, maximum 4 lines. Okay, the municipal commissioner or commissioner, no commas, nothing. Don't write to, from to or gone. This is the modern format. Everything left should be in a straight line. Okay, like this. Now salutation, after receiver's address leave one line here. Salutation, respected sir or sir, madam, only sir also enough. After that again you leave a line. Then subject, so it should be brief. Bad condition of road, don't write subject, not required. So all capital letters, bad condition of road. If you write if you are not using capital letters here, you need to underline. If you write capital letters, don't underline. So subject is over, then leave the next line. Now comes the introduction part. Okay, introduction part. So give your introduction. So where do you live? What is the problem? What is the purpose of writing this letter? So I am a resident of Mehdipatnam, Hyderabad. I would like to bring to your kind notice the miserable condition of the road in our locality. So this is the introduction part. Okay, first paragraph is over. I means introduction is over. Now para change in the paragraph means leave the next line. So this line we have to leave out. Now comes the details, the most important part, details. So here you need to write about the details of the letter, the details of the problem, complaint. The part of main road from Arvind Hospital to, next page, Sai Temple is in a deplorable condition. It's a very bad condition. It is one of the busiest roads in that area. It is full of potholes, and that condition has led to many accidents. Last week, a bike skidded there, and two members of a family were seriously injured. During the rainy season, the road submerged and it becomes very difficult to notice the potholes. So far as I remember, no repairing work has been carried out for the last 5 years. So the details of the problem, full details you have to write in the second paragraph. Now, request, change a paragraph here. So leave the next line, para change, leave the next line, then request. So I would like to draw the attention of the authorities to the problem. In this way we have to write. So whatever the problem is, in this way you have to write. So I would like to, I would like to draw the attention of the authorities to the problem and request them to take necessary action so that the road may be put to thorough repair without any further delay. Okay, request or conclusion over. With regards, or you can write thanking you also. Thanking you in anticipation, that also you can write. So here, leave the next line. Yours faithfully. Yours, Y capital letter. There is no apostrophe here. Don't use apostrophe. Wrong. No apostrophe here. Yours faithfully. XYZ. Enough. So already you gave your address in the beginning only. Here you need not write it again. So this is the formal letter. So first what we have to write: sender's address, date, receiver's address, SDR. Then body of the letter. In the body of the letter, minimum 3 paragraphs must be there. So at least 3: introduction, details, request or conclusion. Introduction, details, request. So SDR, IDR. This is the formula. This is the formula for formal letter. SDR, IDR. If you remember this formula, SDR, IDR for formal letters, you can write any formal letter easily. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope that you have understood the video. So in the next episode, we will discuss another important formal letter. Okay, students, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and support me. Meet again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.